Astor Piazzolla's Oblivion on this customized Easttop EAP that now has the Hohner 280C covers from years ago when they were brass and nickel plated, just to hear the prettiness of the tone. So here we go. Not bad. Let's try the Vulcany while we're here. Well, one of the differences between the two. Short throw slide, straight tuned, versus long throw slide. This is a 7mm push, 5mm push, faster playing harp. And you can hear it in that video. A little bit brighter. Also, dead spot on A442 and a half to A443. It's about A443 and a half, A44, a little bit sharper. I had to work to bring the tones down a little bit by bending them. But anyhow, again, another sound sample of a harp with other covers that I think are very pleasing. I hope you agree.